Have complete control of your home climate from anywhere. Let me show you how. AirTouch 5 is Australia's smartest air conditioning controller. It features a clever phone app, so you can control everything to do with your home climate remotely. It even senses your location, automatically switching the air conditioning on as you get close to home. How cool is that? The home console features an incredibly stylish touchscreen, giving you ultimate control over every room in the house. And if you have multiple air conditioners with a multi-story home, the smart interface will adjust itself. Plus, with the AirTouch app, you can make yourself even more comfortable without having to leave the couch. Naturally, AirTouch has been designed in Australia for Australian conditions, so you know you can rely on it. And with wireless temperature sensors in every room, you can control each zone to suit everyone's needs. These little guys are smart and adjust the temperature automatically, saving on running costs by only cooling or heating the rooms you want. That's good for the planet and your pocket. It even works with a range of smart assistants. Okay Google, what's the temperature in the kitchen?
27 degrees.
And you can use it to control other types of home automation. Okay Google, cool down the kitchen to 23 degrees.
Okay.
How smart is that? Set your favorite temperature for each zone and enjoy the latest features like advanced programs and sleep mode to rest comfortably while saving energy, so everyone's happy. The AirTouch console is an elegant design with a wide range of built-in themes to choose from. So you can select a style to match your decor. You can even upload an image of your own. Now that's perfect. So if you're looking for a smarter way to enjoy more comfort, more convenience, and more control, ask for AirTouch 5. It's Australia's smartest air conditioning controller.